eh, eh, eh. Oh. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Arkansas County of Tennessee, southwestern Arkansas County of Tennessee, southwestern Arkansas northeastern of Tennessee, southwestern Arkansas of Morristown, until 1:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles from Wartesboro, or 7 miles per hour in Wartesboro. Inside the thunderstorm movie has issued for the tornado. Source: radar indicated. Hazard: tornado. This storm has been dangerous around here. The thunderstorm will be near at around 1:15 p.m. Climate change 1:25 p.m. For your protection, move into interior room in the lowest floor sturdy building. Please report strong winds to the National Weather Service for calling 877-3772-177918. Posting to the National Weather Service Morristown Facebook page, or using our WN Morristown Twitter, Morristown V8.